Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about how you can leverage AI and make money. So if you're a student in college or in school and want to make some money, then this video is for you. My name is Kushal Chaudhary and I have been uploading videos consistently for quite a few days now on this channel. I am uploading one video every 2 days at least, and I try to upload every day at my best. So make sure to watch the other videos as well. It will help you a lot. How many of you do you remember NFTs and metaverse? It was 4 years back. There was a trend at that time that NFTs are there, metaverse is there, they're gonna be a whole new world. We will be accessing it in multiple ways. And I also made a video on that on this very channel 4 years back, right? And you can watch it if you haven't watched it. It is really good. So the thing is that at that time the trend was there, but the trend is over. Trend got over and nothing happened. But now AI is here, and it is not a fantasy word anymore, especially after the launch of chatgpt. Everybody has started to take it seriously. People are using it to build workflows, to build automation agents that can help them to automate their whole processes, automate their businesses, and help them to manage their tasks efficiently. So if you are a student, you should also be leveraging AI. But there is a big question that comes in your mind, that how will you do it? Because AI is not free. These models, they take money. You have to pay for each and every automation that you have to make. So how do you do it for free? Well, Google has recently launched Gemini's 1 year complete package for you, and it is for free. You can just enroll out there. I myself have enrolled on the free package, because why to pay when you're getting something for free, right? We are Indians. So that is there. If you are a student, college student, or you're studying in grade 12 or your high school or anything like that, then this will be really helpful for you, right? This is one thing. And apart from that, you people should start to take AI seriously, because AI in the coming years will not be the same. Things are going to change rapidly from here on. And a lot of entrepreneurs like Gary Vee have already been talking a lot about it. And this guy, he's somebody who talked about social media for Facebook, Instagram, and everything in 2009. And he said it will be booming up in the coming decade. And that happened, man. It happened. Now he is after this AI trend, and he's saying it will be the next big thing. And he is a very reputed entrepreneur. He's a big name in the industry and people know him, and you should trust if he says that it will happen. It is not only about him as well, right? There are other entrepreneurs and all sorts of things, and people are saying, people are believing, and it is happening. AI is becoming the next big things. Multinational companies are investing in building up in infrastructures, right? Setting up massive servers. Take example of Tesla. Elon Musk, he's doing it. Sam Altman is there. Perplexity AI is there. DeepSeek is there. These things are changing rapidly. And another thing that is happening, which is very interesting out here, is live commerce. China is growing with it very fast, rapidly growing. These people, the Chinese people, they are accustomed to buy from live commerce, right? So live commerce in China have been out there for quite some time. It is not there in the world yet. It is going to get there in the US in another 1 to 2 years, and it already accounts for 31.9% of China economy out of e-commerce, right? So if e-commerce account for, let's just say for example, it is a hypothetical example, $1 trillion, then this alone accounts for $695 billion, the live commerce thing. And it is huge. Okay, so people will be coming up live on social media, they will be recording their videos themselves, and they will be selling live. It is going to be something else. That time is around the corner. So things are changing quite fast. Learn to adapt to new things, and learn to use AI, learn to adapt it in your daily workflows, and you can do whatnot, man. And for all of you who says that it is not free and all of these things, keep on yapping, man, it is free now. Just go and use it. Okay, Google has done it. It has given you 1 year, and it is enough for you to explore a lot of things. It is enough for you to be able to make your first 10,000, 20,000, or 25,000 rupees a month, and then increase your income, right? You do not have to pay anything. Basically, you just have to use it. Now if you're as lazy as not being able to avail that offer, then it is not Google's mistake, my mistake, or somebody else's mistake. It's completely you. So improve yourself first of all, because that is the number one thing that you can do then. All right, so this is the video. I just quickly wanted to talk about AI a bit. I quickly wanted to just share this little update with you guys, and I also wanted to fulfill the commitment that I have made myself to upload every day, or at least in 2 days, and share my experiences and my learnings that I am learning. So this is something that I learned recently, and this entrepreneur Gary Vee is really a great guy. You should follow him and other people like that. In fact, let me just make a video on it in next video, or after the next one. I will be talking about who are these great people you can follow on YouTube and consume their content and learn a lot from them, because I do it on daily basis. I listen to these people while I'm doing my exercises, while I'm jogging, doing any sort of cardio or anything like that, because all these things are really important. You just have to do and operate that way if you are running low on time, to save time, and it is required. But anyways, next video will be on who all should you follow on YouTube if you want to grow in your life, and who all do I follow, and what all I have learned from them, my learnings and everything else I will be sharing in the next video. So stay hooked and you will get a lot of insights.